Well, it's the part of it. It's the elastomer, that we use. We use a lot of functionalized elastomer that has allowed us to play really on the compromise between dry, wet, wear. And we have been working for 20 years on what we call the abrasion of the compound. How do you get more mileage from less material? Because it was one of the key indicators that we are following in Michelin. It's energy efficiency and efficiency of the matter that we use in the group, to reduce the amount of matter that we use in the group with more performance. And working on that, we were able to develop compounds that are more performing in terms of mileage with less matter, let's say less weight of material. And this is also why today we are also so good in terms of emissions of particles, in terms of mass loss, in milligram per kilometer. And just yesterday, we received the latest edition of the ADAC publication on abrasion, where Michelin is still the first, way above the competition in terms of mass loss per kilometer, per ton now, because this is the way ADAC is measuring it. Because this is something we have been working for 20 years, and the way we mix, so it's a combination of ingredients, but also the way we mix the product in our factory. We have our own internal mixing product, screws that we use. We have liquid mixing, and that's allow us to have a dispersion of the matter in the tread, especially in the tread, that is very, very fine. And that allows us to have a very, very good performance in terms of emissions. So that's where you will be able to get more mileage with less material. And it's really the mass loss per kilometer.
So abrasion has become a big topic now in Europe. There's regulations all coming up. But this has been a target internally for you guys way before this abrasion topic has been starting. Is that correct?
Yeah. For 20 years, in fact, we started to look at that in 2005. And that's when we realized that, in Michelin, we realized that particle emission were matter that we'll put in the environment. And we needed to understand how we could reduce that. And also how we could perhaps understand more where those particles were going. And that's when also Michelin pushed with the two other competitions that were Goodyear and Bridgestone to create the TIP, which has led to the creation of the TIP in 2005. Okay? And the main topic at that time was develop the scientific knowledge around the particles, which was one of the key topics that was the foundation of the TIP initially, was let's put money together so we can develop understanding on the particle emission. But internally, it has been a target for more than 20 years. And we try each time to improve, even when there is no people looking at that. And even like the latest generation of Palette Sport 5 made a progress of 25% in terms of abrasion compared to the previous generation, when nobody cares about particle emission in the sport segment. So,
thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.